Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel Zepson. I hope you are doing well. In this video we will learn what is hyperlink and how can we use this hyperlink and what are the benefits of the hyperlink. So hyperlink can be used in Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. And what are the benefits? Hyperlinks provide such a link. When we click on that link, we will reach at that folder, at that website, at that video very quickly and at the moment. So how can we use in our documents and in Microsoft Word file and Excel? This is the page of Microsoft Word, and for example this is a table that drawn on the page. I want to use this cell to make a hyperlink on this cell. How can we use? So there is two methods. For example, by clicking on the right side, we can see at this, for example, I use this cell. Hyperlink is present on the on this bar. When I click on it, hyperlink, then a new folder will be open. Another method, there is a shortcut key, that is Ctrl+K. When I will press Ctrl+K, then same folder will be open at that time. Here is a different options, just like current folders, which hyperlink you want to create on this cell. There is a different options present at this folder, just like you want to existing file or a web page link, you want to some document link, you want to new document link on this, you want to some email address link on this cell, then you can create browse page, recent files, somehow. What is, for example, I am giving to you some example, simple one example that is very that will be very helpful and understandable for you. Just like this one is a recent page, I want to link for example one, I want to link this one file on my cell. I will select and OK. You can see this is there is an hyperlink create on this cell. So you can also see that there is a bar is present, Ctrl+click to follow link. When I press Ctrl and click on it, then the page which link is present at this page, it will reach at a moment very quickly. Just you can see that at this moment. Okay, so there is very helpful in your documents, there is very helpful in your thesis, there is very helpful to make a different documents and files that is present in your daily works routines, and you make a different thesis works, you make a different scenarios and presentations, different assignments. Okay, I think this video is very helpful for you, and please click on the like button, comments, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe on it. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.